my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about SiaCoin. So what's the price, what's the current price of SiaCoin, what's the next move of SiaCoin, and this video I will show you, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now friends, if we talk about the SiaCoin, so the current price of the SiaCoin is about 0.037245 USD dollar is the current price. And if we talk about the change occurred in SiaCoin, so the last 1 hour change is negative positive, last 1 day change is also positive. Unfortunately, the last 1 week change is a negative, friend. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the SiaCoin of the last 1 day, friends. Oh my gosh, here is a good news for all of you. As you can see here, in the last 1 hour they take a high jump. Oh my god, congratulations to all SiaCoin holders, friends. If we talk about the change who can SiaCoin in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day change is about 17.15%, and the highest price of SiaCoin is about 0.37439 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the SiaCoin, friends. As you can see here now on the screen, at this point the highest price of the SiaCoin, friends, as you can see here, friends, that is the highest price point, friends. Now if we talk about the next move of the SiaCoin, so I think what's the next move occurs in SiaCoin, friends. Let's do a technical analysis. What's the prices goes in SiaCoin, friends. I think they can hit all the resistance line, that is why they goes very highly moving upward, friends. As you can see here, if we do a technical analysis, so they goes very highly. As you can see here, let's suppose that is a support line and that is a resistance line. So they also had this point, they also break the resistance line, as you can see at this point, and now they are in the jumping mode, friends. So that's mean that the high jump also occur in a SiaCoin. When the resistance line broken, that's mean that the high jumps occur in this coin, friends. So SiaCoin also broken the resistance line, that's mean that the big jump also occurring, and also in the future coming soon, friends. So please wait for the big jump, the big pump of the SiaCoin, friends, and enjoy it. What's your opinion about SiaCoin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.